Choose you this day whom you will serve. As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord.
Hi guys. What's up, Jay? What's up, Kay? Hi, Jaybird. Hi, gay girl. What y'all doing today? How y'all doing? What's up? Who's your pretty bird? Who's my budgie? Who's my buddy? Oops. Things aren't quite clipped yet, are they? I mean, grown in yet from being clipped. Are they? No. Give my little birdie kisses. Give my little birdie kisses. Yeah. Hi, Jay. Hi, Jay. What you doing today? Hello. Hi, guy. How you doing? Look at that. That's cool. I love when they do that kind of stuff. I'll let them play to their heart content. Hi, K-girl. You gonna try it too? Hop up there. Go ahead. Go on. See what it's like. Come on. I know you can do it. Come on. Come on, K-girl. Go for it. Go. Go for it. Come on. Come on, K-girl. K-girl, go. Yeah! Whoa! Well, as normal with birds, that was unexpected. Well, Jay, what you gonna do? You gonna go? You gonna stay? You gonna explore some more? I love listening to them little guys chirp and talk. They're so cool. Sorry about the lighting, everybody. I'll get better equipment one day. Hey, girl, come on. Come on. Jaybird wants to say hi to you. Jaybird wants to say hi. Jaybird wants to say hi. Jaybird wants to say hi. You want to try it? There you go, see? You can do it. You can do it. Yeah, you can do it. Boy. What's up? What's up, birdie birds? Just a little bit. Give it some of that bad lighting. Hey, this is kind of neat. I'm recording a video of me watching the birds. And then when I watch it back, I'll be watching me watching the birds while I'm recording watching the... whatever. What? Come on! Jay! Where'd you go, guy? Well, it looks like he left you, Kay. Come on. What, you want to go explore some more? Come on. Come on, girl. There we go. No, come on now. There we go. Whoa. She's getting better at flying. What's up, J and K? What's happening, my budgie buddies? Bad bird, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do when it come for you? Bad bird, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do when it come for you? Yeah, you guys be some cool little birds today, huh? Who's cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs? You cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, brah. display today, huh? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. She's all happy. Look at her. Look at her. Whoop, 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 whoop. Jaybird, come on. Buddy, lighten up a little bit. K-Bird, K-Bird. I'm cooking for Cocoa Puffs. Bad bird, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do when it come for you? Bad bird, there you go, that's better. Now you're getting in the mood. Come on, buddy. Light up a little bit. Light up a little bit. Yeah, that's right. Woohoo! You guys gonna explore the rocks some more? I think Kate really likes some rocks, Jay. Why don't you go down there and go hang out with her? What? What? Okay. Well, now y'all switch places. Y'all bird brain or something. Oh, cool. Time for some more rock exploration. Oh, just as soon as I get the camera adjusted, huh? It figures y'all be like that. What do I gotta do? Get another camera? My goodness, I can't keep up with you guys. But you are just being so cool today. And it figures, just as soon as I grabbed a second camera, y'all both fly out of range. Oh, there you go. See, that's why I'm going to grab the other camera. Just for that right there. I got to get a better tripod, everybody. That's what I got to do.
boy, some more territory to explore. What have I got in a box? Got some more birdie toys in there you ain't seen yet. You see it now, huh? Hee look at that. That's so cool. This is a first. Oh, I don't think he's ever been up on that back window either. Goodness gracious. My little bird's all over the place today, huh? Where are you up? I guess you can't really see him from this angle. Kay's up on the fan now. Who does she think she is? Just who does she think she is? Look at this. They got a new place to check out, huh? Oh, little birdie ain't never been up in there. Oh boy, I guess it ain't no surprise no more. What you up to? What's my little birdies doing? They being little birdies, gonna be bird brain today? What we gonna do today, Jay? The same thing we do every day, Josh. Try and take over the world? No, you bird brain. We can't take over the world. We can only do our best to maintain it. Okay, girl, you got something to say? Which one of y'all gonna talk first? Which one of y'all gonna talk first? Which one of y'all gonna talk first? I'm curious. 'Cause you both just, you little chatterboxes. Little chatterboxes. Oh, I think K-Girl's a little constipated today. I know she's having a little trouble. What? 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 I told you they love that rock. And I'm not talking about crack cocaine. think they're having little birdie conversations. Sorry about that. That mirror background kind of makes it hard to focus. Listen to Jay Bird. He's just chattering on like a little jukebox. Or like a little radio talk show. Just what's going on inside his little head. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. See y'all next time. Answer the phone, Joshua!